In today's video, we'll be discussing about aloe vera, the benefits of aloe vera, and if you should be using aloe vera in your daily skincare or not. But before we continue, please, I would like you guys to help subscribe to the channel as it helps the algorithm push out educational content to more YouTube users. And with that, let's cue the intro. Great day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and welcome to Skynfyx, the platform whereby we educate you on everything about skincare. And today, it's a good topic. We'll be talking about one of the most common ingredient or plant found all around the world. Now, let's talk about aloe vera. Before we continue with the video, let me know in the comments below what sort of aloe vera brands that you can get at your drugstore. What is aloe vera? What are the benefits of aloe vera? And who should be using aloe vera daily in their skincare routine? Now, before we talk about the benefits of aloe vera, let's talk about what is an aloe vera plant and the history of aloe vera. An aloe vera plant is a succulent and it consists of roughly 500 different species all around the world. It grows about anywhere in humid countries, in hot countries, even in arid, dry weather. Aloe vera plant is characterized by this long, thorny, succulent leaf, and if you cut it open, it consists of a sticky gel-like substance. And very interestingly, this particular gel-like substance actually contains 95% water. Yes, it means that it actually holds a lot of water in it, and hence, that is the characteristics of a great moisturizer. Aloe vera plants have been used for centuries and even millennia. Egyptians used aloe vera to treat wounds, minor cuts, and as well as sunburn. Now, the many benefits to aloe vera. Now, here are some of the benefits of aloe vera that you should know. First, it helps soothe sunburn. I remember as a little boy running by the beach, and usually when coming back from the beach, you get sunburn all over your body, especially when you don't wear enough sunscreen. And the first thing that my mom used is aloe vera. She would go to the garden, cut open an aloe vera leaf, and then apply the aloe vera on my skin. It has this nice cooling, soothing effect, even though it's not in the refrigerator. Even up to today, every time I get the sunburn from staying out in the sun or the beach for too long, I'll run to the drugstore to get a sunburn cream or gel, and most often or not, it ends up as an aloe vera gel. This is because aloe vera contains a compound called aloe. Now, aloe helps soothe sunburn and helps repair the skin. Aloe has a very strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. And it has been proven that aloe can reverse UV damage, especially from sunburns. So the next time you're suffering from sunburns, slap on some aloe vera and your skin will heal very quickly. Second benefit, aloe vera helps speed up wound healing. When you have a cut or an open wound, what happens is there is attraction of white blood cells to the wound to prevent infection. Next up, the wound needs to create enough soft tissue and skin to cover it up before infection sets in. Aloe vera has great wound healing properties because of its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Means that it helps reduce the amount of inflammation, but at the same time, speed up wound repair. Aloe vera can also help speed up collagen production, which helps the wound close up much quicker. And aloe vera being a humectant means it draws in water. The more water you have to a healing wound, the quicker it actually repairs itself. Aloe vera can also be used to treat burns. So if you're suffering from first-degree burns, whereby you have accidentally burned yourself but there is no blister, or second-degree burns, whereby it is mild redness and mild blistering, aloe vera actually helps reduce the blisters, helps reduce the burns, and help collagen production, reducing the healing time. However, there's one downside of using aloe vera for burns. If the burn area is too large, or there's just too much blisters, or even when the blisters have popped, aloe vera does not actually help after that. So anytime you have a very mild burn, whether it's from a cigarette butt or hot oil, slap on some aloe vera and the wound heals very quickly. Third but most popular benefit, it helps moisturize your skin. Aloe vera is a great humectant. A humectant is a compound that pulls in water and holds on to the water as long as possible. Majority of the moisturizers that you use are actually humectants. Other examples of humectants are hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and even honey. However, aloe vera is one of the best humectants in the market, and if you're suffering from dry, flaky skin, aloe vera should be your go-to moisturizer. The best thing about using aloe vera as a moisturizer, you can never use too much. Unlike other over-the-counter moisturizers, whereby after application of the moisturizers, you get this sticky sensation on your skin, aloe vera does not have that sensation. However, if you're using an aloe vera moisturizer or aloe vera gel, it does not create this sticky film because most aloe vera gels in the market are close to 100% natural. And if, like me, you love to shave or you have to shave, moisturizer is a great aftershave. As we mentioned before, aloe vera not only is an ideal moisturizer, but it helps heal cuts and bumps and bruises much quicker. The next benefit is a great anti-aging ingredient. Even though aloe vera consists mostly of water, it also contains antioxidant properties. Natural aloe vera contains high concentration of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, all of which helps collagen production, fight against nasty free radicals, especially from UV radiation, and at the same time boost collagen production. The more collagen you have, the lesser wrinkles you have, and the more hydrated your skin will become. Aloe vera is also great to eradicate blemishes and hyperpigmentation. So if you have a melasma issue, you can also use aloe vera as a moisturizer. The fifth benefit, it helps reduce acne. Now, one of the main problems of acne-prone skin is the difficulty in finding the right moisturizer. Yes, you still need to moisturize even though you have acne. And majority of the moisturizers in the market might not be suitable for your acne-prone skin. So you should turn to aloe vera. Not only does aloe vera help reduce blemishes from your acne, help fight against active infections, and help speed up wound healing, aloe vera also does not clog your pores, which is the primary reason you're getting acne. Aloe vera works also as a mild astringent. It means that it gets into pores, it untraps your clogged pores, remove all the dirt and sebum, and does mild exfoliation of your skin. Aloe vera also has very mild antiseptic properties, means it helps reduce the amount of infection on your skin, especially acne-prone skin. So my number one advice to most of my acne-prone patients is if you have trouble looking for a moisturizer, just stick to aloe vera. Now, how do you actually use aloe vera as a moisturizer? Most aloe vera gels have this thick, viscous consistency like the one we are showing you now. So which step of your skincare routine should you be applying the aloe vera? So before applying the aloe vera gel, first of all, clean your skin and remove any excessive sebum or dirt. You can opt to use a toner if you have a toner. If you do not have one, it's fine. And then you can use your essence and your serums. Your essence and serums generally contain active ingredients which you want to help repair your skin or to give you that nice radiant glow. And after you've applied all of that, then comes on the aloe vera. The thick viscous consistency of aloe vera does a few things. First of all, it locks in the active ingredients that you have applied in your serums and essence. It means that after applying the serum and essence, in order to prevent them from accidentally transferring to your hands or to your clothes or from evaporating, by placing the aloe vera on top, you then make sure most of the serum or essence you're using gets trapped in between. Next up, this thick consistency will help draw in more water and keep your skin hydrated for longer periods of time. The aloe vera step should be one of the last skincare steps that you apply on your skin, except if you're applying sunscreen. You can then apply sunscreen after your aloe vera gel, wait roughly about a couple of minutes, and then apply a thin layer of sunscreen over the top. And due to the fact that aloe vera consists of majority water, you can use a gentle cleanser to just wash it off. So who can use aloe vera? Aloe vera also makes a good base to mix your skincare ingredients inside. And this is why majority of the skincare products that you have for moisturizing contains aloe vera. So if you found yourself an essence or a serum, but however it stings your skin whenever you apply, you can always mix it with your aloe vera gel and apply it on your face. Aloe vera also makes a good base for your makeup. There are some moisturizers which are oily, and hence when you put your makeup on, it smudges easily. However, with aloe vera as your base moisturizer, makeup doesn't smudge as easily. So who can use aloe vera as a moisturizer? First of all, if you're suffering from acne-prone skin, aloe vera helps speed up wound healing, helps create more collagen, reduce acne, and unclog your pores. If you're suffering from sensitive skin or you have chronic skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis, aloe vera makes a great moisturizer to reduce the dryness and the flakiness of your skin. If you're suffering from dry skin, you can actually use a lotion-based moisturizer or even certain oils on your skin and put the aloe vera over the top to prevent the oil from getting out. All in all, aloe vera makes a great moisturizer. The chances of getting an allergic reaction to aloe vera is very minute. So in conclusion, if you're unsure of what moisturizer to use, just stick to aloe vera. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you liked the video and you found it helpful for you, please click like and subscribe and comment below if you are using aloe vera in your skincare routine. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell button because we release new videos on a weekly basis. And that's it from me. I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor. And remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed. Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.